Hey, it's me, Sydney. Um, I'm gonna be singing one of my favorite songs as of now. Um, Blackbird. By I think the Beatles sang that song. I was listening to the Paul McCartney version. I sort of like it, but I sort of like the original. But I'm gonna sing it my way because I don't know it their way yet, and I learned it one way. And that's my way, and that's the way I'm about to sing it. So if you don't like it, I really don't care. All right, I have my own music. Dum 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 dum. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to arrive. Arise. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, into the night of a dark black night. Into the light of a dark black night. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of a dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. Whoa, all your life. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, into the light of a dark black night. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. That's the song. I'm telling you, that's the song, and that's what it's gonna stay. I love that song, and that's it, gangsters. All right, thanks. Okay, just checking my teeth.